That's an inch. In the center of your paper. In the middle, quarter of an inch. That's an inch. It's a quarter of it. It's gonna be right here. From here. Very tiny. So you start paper here and go from here. Here to here. Make a little tick mark. So a little tick mark. You see that? Then again, use this, the center, and then we're gonna find where that tick mark went. So it looks like the last hole, I'm gonna be really close to the last hole on the white part. That is your troposphere. Let's do the second layer. The stratosphere is 1.25 inches. Again, that's an inch. And you're looking for 1.25. That looks like that. From here to here. You're going to start from the layer of the troposphere to 1.25 inches. So it looks something like this. Starting from the troposphere. Take the colored pencil again, put it right in the center, and we're going to see which hole on the red goes close to it. I'm almost in the middle. All right, let's try this one here. Okay, so that's pretty close.